Hi everyone, it's Vindir with Play Inquire Make Learn. Today I'm going to show you our homeschool room. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, be sure to tap on the subscribe button and bell so you can be notified each time that I make a post. And here, we used to homeschool in our office, but it got too small, especially with homeschooling 2 kids. So now we're homeschooling downstairs, and our whole one side of the house is dedicated to our actual homeschooling. So I'll start on our bookshelves here. I have our science bookshelf. It has random science things on here, our Tinker kits, our Kiwi crates, puzzles, things for our science experiments. Here you'll find some of our art stuff. It used to be our art station, but then moved into the kitchen. So now we just have our regular paper, color paper, construction paper, blank cards and envelopes, stickers, scrap paper, and activity books, even blank notebooks I have on the bottom. This is our mini library. Here we have a lot of Usborne books. We have our Dr. Seuss library books, Roald Dahl, and just a bunch of our other kinds of books here that I use for our curriculum that I just pull out and we'll go through them. And these are just some other books that we had started off with. They're just regular stories, kid stories, and then holiday stories and so forth, our science textbooks. And like I mentioned in my other video, these are the books that I had gotten for free at the Polk County warehouse. Here we just have some random bins as well. There's just arts and crafts stuff in here. I'll show you what's inside. Things that are just for arts and crafts, balloons, toothpicks, pom-poms, things like that. We have extra markers here that they love to draw, so I just pull that out and just put it all into a bin. Over here we have our cubby. It's our tinkering cubby. You'll find things to tinker with and to build things with, binder clips, clothespins, paper clips, metal stuff, more magnetism things here. We have a carousel here with our pens and pencils and glues and rulers. On the bottom here, I have our Tangram puzzle. Just some money stuff that they were playing that I used for teaching my younger one how to count money, even my older one too, just to practice for fun. I have our scale. This is a tinkering kit here, an engineering kit, another one here. Some more supplies to build with. These are the Magnaflex. These are really cool. I have our microscope that we use and some slides. On the other side of our tinkering table here, we have our dowels, tape, glue, twine. I just cleaned up recently, so it's easy for me to see what we need, and that way I can make a trip to the dollar store and buy some more supplies as needed. Here I just found some of these at the dollar store too, just cute they could build with. Here we have our marble run. We have our magnetic tiles. I have a bunch of tube toys from Safari Tube and from the dollar store and so forth, and I put them all into bags. It's just random supplies to play with. These are all of our Safari Tube toys that are more in organized fashion. This is their desk. We got it from IKEA. These are their work boxes that I showed you in my last video. And this is our homeschooling wall. I just have some posters on here that I got from the dollar store, some that I made myself, some that I found on other websites. And I have 3 chalkboards. This is for my young son. This is for just my notes for the day, and then here I have from my older son. And that's it for our homeschooling room. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, please share it below. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.